Budget hotel in the heart of Male. Excellent location, friendly staff, easy access to all area in Male, museum, park, water taxi, free transfer to airport. Good for transit before proceeding to intended resort. Value for money, good location and easy to enter every places. Value for money, location is superb and value for money, rooms are bit small however can manage. Exceptional, thanks. Everything was perfect. Great location, complimentary airport shuttle, amazing staff. Everything was perfect. Great location, complimentary airport shuttle, amazing staff. The best hotel, the best, and kindly staff. Next travel I want stay in here again. Exceptional, good rooms. Hot location in Mali City. Nearby the ferry terminals. The Mali City is just a small island. The location was good. The amenities were fine. Cost-efficient hotel. Small and convenient rooms with warm welcoming staffs. Very nice location. Friendly staff. Thank you. Clean rooms, and good breakfast. Exceptional, excellent. Superb, the best room I have ever tried in Maldives. Excellent service. Staff were excellent. Very friendly and welcoming. Room was booked to use before my flight. It was spotless and comfortable. The transfer was a great help too, although ferry terminal is nearby.